are going to unbox. What are we gonna unbox? Oh yeah, the iPhone 12. We got the Max, right? This is the Max.
This is the Max.
Yes. We got the Mini. It's so small.
That's mine.
Yes, and this is the Pro.
So
we're gonna unbox all of them and even the accessories. So let's just get started. We're gonna open the Pro first.
Aww. Aww.
Okay. We got this. Okay. Ooh, okay. I can't, okay. This is the iPhone
A
Pro.
charge?
This is the iPhone Pro.
What?
We got these things.
It's a charge, yeah. Wow.
This is the iPhone Pro. It's blue. And it has 3 cameras. So let's open the Pro Max. So guys, this is how the iPhone is. This is the back. This is the side of the volume. This is the other side of the something else, I don't know. This is, wait. It's just enter code, no fingerprint or anything. So this is how it looks from the Pro. It's nice. So guys, we're gonna unbox the Mini.
Too small.
So guys, we're gonna unbox the Mini.
Too small.
Okay.
It's mine now.
No!
No, it's mine now.
Okay.
It's mine now,
This
Leah.
is the back.
It's a too small.
And this.
Hey,
No, stop! This is the front.
Now,
This
Leah.
is the back.
It's a too small.
And this.
Hey,
No, stop! This is the front.
That's mine.
I like the back. I like
That's
the
mine,
color.
Leah. That's mine.
I know. And this is the side of the volume. And
Leah, that's
yeah, and
mine.
this is the other side.
3, 2,
I don't.
Cut!
This is a touch screen, so you
2,
can touch
3,
this
2.
screen.
Action. Okay, give me the phone.
Didn't stop.
Give me the phone, Leah. It's mine now.
And this is where you plug it, like this.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat me my phone.
Hello.
Give me my phone.
This is the iPhone Mini. We got the case. Now we're gonna put it inside the case. Okay. Look, it showed something red, but I didn't think you guys saw it. So this is how it looks when you wear the case, when it wears the case. It's nice. Hello! Yeah, this is me. Let me order some burgers and chicken nuggets and fries. Yeah, thank you. Bye! Okay, now we're gonna open the Max. Oops, okay. I think this is gold. Why is there 3 cameras? How do you get this? Oh, yeah. I got the megaphone. It's gold instead of Okay. This is how it looks in the front and the back. It's gold. And you saw this, and you saw this. This is all the same. Again. And this, and this. Hello! Hello! Dolby Vision camera. It has 3 cameras. You see that? We got the case and it has a magnet. So we're gonna put it in. Okay. Yeah. Is the sucker. Hello! Yes, it's too big for me. I can't hear anything because it's too big. I need a smaller one. So guys, this is the phone I'm gonna use for the rest of the YouTubers, and this is actually the best. I think the best. It's my opinion. Okay, so I think this is the best phone you can use for YouTubers. We have the mini here, and we got the Max, and we have to compare it. If we compare it, the Max is actually bigger. This is the Max. No, this is the Max. This is the Pro, and this is the Mini. So if you compare to this, I think the Max is bigger than anything. No, it's supposed to be like this. Okay, and yeah, it's super big. It's the Max is bigger, and I think this is the second big, and this is the lowest one. This is the old phone. This is what it looks like, and compare the Mini. They're both the same size, but they're like right here. Without the case, it will be matching, but this one does not have the case. This one had the case. This is the magnet charger. You can use this in the Mini and I think the Max only. So this is what they looks like in the inside when you open it. We got these cables, stuff, wires. It's super hard to get.
Here you go, my phone.
Dun dun dun. Okay. I can't open it. Now I can. Okay, I did it.
Look at the monster.
So this is how it looks like.
Hey.
Okay, it's sticked here.
Hey, look at monster.
It's right. So put this like this, and it's still magneted.
Now we'll take some videos, okay?
It's like it's stuck together like glue.
Sanikam.
Okay. It's super cool because like you don't have to like plug it in like always. It's too old. Now you can just magnet it. It's so cool. The Apple symbol, then you just put it right this. Now it's magneted. Now that is what you call a genius.
That's my
And guys, if you did not know, the favorite phone I like is the Max. And thank you for watching. Comment down below which one's your favorite phone. Bye.
Bye.
I hate you.